I failed a warrant of fitness, and one of the things that I failed on was the front drive shaft. The slip joint was quite floppy. It's been like that for a while, but it doesn't really matter because it can't really come apart. I talked to a Driveshaft guy about it and he said all that will happen was the teeth might strip off the splines. Anyway, to get the warrant of fitness, all I had to do was take it out, but I still need it. So when I did take it in to the Driveshaft specialist, he pretty much told me I can't afford it. He's like, oh, you can't buy these parts, it'll cost $1,000 to custom make that end of it. So he suggested, or didn't suggest, that I just take the spline apart and build it up a little bit with some tack welds basically. So that's what I did. The Driveshaft guy didn't tell me about this collar that's been punched on there. Thought it was going to be like quite solid, but it was quite soft actually, and it just pried right off real easily. Well, this is what I was meant to do, but I'm not sure. Guess we'll find out if it works. Just gotta sand them back down now. Well, I sanded the welds down till they're pretty much gone again, and it should be nice and tight. I could only just jam it on there, but then it freed up after that, so as long as it doesn't free up too much again, then it should be perfect. Need that collar thing back on there. Why is this the hardest part? Where does all that grease even come from? This clamp has to go on before it goes back together. That might hold it if I can pull it tight-ish. Well, it's back in. It's like completely solid. There's like no play, and it still slides easily. I think some of that grease got on the nut and bolt because it was slippery. Now all that's left to do is try it out, see how well it spins. I already know it spins great because I've done it by hand. But yeah, let's give it a go. Oh, the other thing I noticed is that when I went up to Coromandel, without the front drive shaft or anything, just two-wheel drive the whole time, bolts started falling out of my hub on this side. So I'm going to get a new hub, the other side's got a new one, and the bolts stay in that one, so I'm going to get one like that on this side. Anyway, I'm excited to see how long this will last, hopefully forever. So I'll never have to fix this ever again, probably.